Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and today I have another mystery box here, and this one's from like Africa or India, and it has been through a lot on the ship here, so I can't show this side because it has some shipping address on it, but yeah, it's been through quite a bit. So it is from TOYBANIA and a brand over in India. It's kind of cool. The guy who sent it to us, his name is Vivek. And this mystery box is the lieutenant. So now let's move to the top view. Well, we got the box here, and now I'm gonna open it. There's supposed to be 2 yo-yos in here, and I don't know what this yo-yo brand is, and it's a mystery box as well, so I don't know what's gonna come with it. Oh my word, I see one of the yo-yos, and it's in massive amount of wrapping. Oh, this is sweet. Okay, so here's one of them. It's in this like plastic container. Yoku. I don't know if that's the kind of yo-yo it is, but it's really cool looking. I'm gonna unbox both of them in just a second here. There's that one, and then, oh, this one, it looks like this one doesn't have a front cover. I can hear it jingling. Vasun? I'm gonna call it Vasun. So I'm gonna open this one second because I don't know what it is, and I already see this one. Ooh. Whoa, that's weird string shipping. Okay, this can be used as a yo-yo stand if you really like. Okay. This yo-yo looks really cool. The paint job, I really like the paint job of it. And also, it looks like it has a C-track bearing, center track. It unscrews pretty good. I think these might be silicone response pads. The bearing sounds really good. And also, it looks like it's good for finger spin, so I'm going to definitely try that when I start throwing them. So there's this one. Oh my, what? Wait, what? Okay. I thought these were going to be like a little bit more normal yo-yos, but look at how small this thing is. It doesn't have any kind of caps or anything, so... Ooh, and also it came with an extra bearing. So, I think that might be a responsive bearing. I don't know, it could be wrong, but... comes with red response pads for competing response pads. Not a center track bearing, but unresponsive, I'm pretty sure, because it's really pretty big. I actually think the bearing might be wider than the yo-yo. So, I don't really know what to think of this one. I like it. It looks cool. So now let's go and throw both of them. Okay, so guys, we're first going to be trying the aqua, purple, and white splatter. I like it. Ooh, it looks really sweet when it spins. I really like this one. Ooh, it's really smooth. And I don't know if I like silicone response pads that much because they're so sticky and grippy. I am pretty sure this is not bimetal because it doesn't have any rings of any sort on it at all. Yeah, it's not bimetal. Finger spins. Oh, that one might not be as strong as for finger spins, but it does look really nice. Wow, I'm good at snap wind ups. But yeah, I really like this. Oh, this is really good. I like this one. It's aluminum. I don't know what kind of aluminum it is, but the gap width of it is really good, so I'm going to try finger grinds and hand grinds. And this is not my favorite kind of string either, so that might be part of it. Oh, it like just stays on my finger forever. The gap width is pretty wide, so it can finger grind or boingy boing really well. There's no dings on it. It looks like it's a V-shaped yo-yo. And so now we're going to be trying the really small one. So you might have seen like other small yo-yos like this before, like the Alley Cat by Corco or the Deep State by One Drop, but I've never actually used one. Oh, it's actually really, oh, that's not good, that's not good. It's really heavy. I can hit almost the same tricks with it. Let's try going to one just for fun. Oh, it's so weird. I can't, wait. Oh yeah. It's basically doing string tricks with a looping yo-yo. Yep, no. Let's try finger spins for fun. I know it's not going to be good at all. Wait, what? This is so weird. I actually kind of like this for finger spins. I won't do it for like... I'm not going to use it in competition or anything for finger spins or like use it out in public for finger spins. But it's super fun. Ugh, super fun to just finger spin like in your house, just practicing. Wow, I almost hurt. I almost want to say this is brass, but I'm pretty sure it's not. It looks like brass. Yeah. It's really small. Thank you all for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.